Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, on today's video we'll be looking on the cockatiel babies. So guys, remember we had two pair of cockatiels that gave us babies. So this pair, they gave us two babies. I think they had 3 eggs and all 3 were fertile. I'm not sure how it went. But these are the 2 babies that they have given us. Their parent is a cinnamon female and a white face male. So guys, them are come along good, them look good. Them parents outside that eat right now for come feed them. So as you see, them are take care of. Them are get good take care of. And so the plan is for them to grow and get stronger and bigger, and then just increase our cockatiel count. Cockatiels are really nice birds to have as pets, as they don't really make noise, so them good. Anyway guys, remember to like out the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notification bell. Goodbye.